Hey, what's up, everybody? www.themanmindset.com. Just letting y'all know that the sex toolkit is coming soon. We're doing a whole different thing, but I want to kind of talk about that while I'm doing this. Had a guy, client, I don't even know if he's a client, just send me an email, and you know, he's feeling the fear of approaching women. And he's like scratching his head trying to figure out what am I doing wrong here? Why is it that every time I see something good looking, I just don't do anything about it? Well, I always say for a lot of you guys out there that it's not the fear of the approach, it's the fear of not only the unknown and also what you don't know what to do. See, a man that is skilled in the bedroom, a man that is skilled in dirty talk, a man that is skilled in flirting, a man that is skilled in being dirty, a man that is skilled in being nasty, a man that is skilled in being romantic, a man that is skilled in being seductive, a man that is skilled in being naughty. That's the individual that automatically knows if I approach this woman or I talk to this woman, I'm not going to have any issues or I'm not going to have any problems because I'll be able to adjust to the woman based off the situation that we have. And for a lot of you guys, a lot of y'all guys listen to all these guys out there that say they know about sex or they're good at sex, but they can't really explain to you the basis of the tools that you need to get out in this ecosystem. Because if everybody that is out there usually tries to give you a one trick way of doing things, when there are women that have different types of attitudes and different thoughts when it comes to sex. So for a lot of guys out there, the fear is not from the fact of I go up to this woman and talk to her. The fear is basically, what do I do next? How do I handle the next thing? How do I transition from a regular conversation to get more flirty, seductive, romantic, nasty, naughty, freaky? How do I do those things? And how do I adjust to those things? And that's the thing that separates us from everybody else. We're going to show you how to do those things. If you have the conversation classes, if you have a little bit of the making out, the kissing 101 and all those things, you're going to have a little bit of advantage, but that's just the starting gate of all this. Because once you get into the thick of things, we want you to separate yourself from all the guys out there. You are separating yourself right now by being 1,000 with women, not lying, being honest, and all that other stuff. But your mouthpiece, your fingers, the way you